Hello there. You're seeing this one right here, right? It's a book cover. And basically, I just want to ask you, are you a digital services or digital product services seller? And what's one of the best selling niche right there is one of the best earning income, job, or occupation, if you may, out there. Now, this is called a digital product because on this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. Complete tutorial. So this one right here, I made it from scratch. So I'm going to take you step by step on how I made it. We have business right there. We have the amount. We have the author, the ratings. Even though this product is not currently for sale, this is just a guide and I want to show you how to make this one right here. So let's get started. We're going to use this website called Gumroad. Let me just go to it right now. So basically this is inside Gumroad. I've just used my dummy Gmail account to log in with this one. So please try it on your own and then have some fun. So let's try creating a product here. So go to products like so. And then you'll see this option right here. So since I already created a trial earlier, let me just delete this one. Delete permanently because I want to take you, or rather I want to take you step by step here. So started with the new product option right there. Click on it. And then since I'm going to create an ebook, I'm going to choose ebook. If you have a digital product, specifically choose this one. If you have a course or tutorial, please choose this one. Anyway, for my end, I'm gonna go for ebook, and for this one, I'm gonna name it, let's just say, guide or sample guide like so. This is just the file name. Take note, this sample guide name right here will not be the one on the cover page of your guidebook. And then put the price right there. Let me just put in $10. And there's a currency right here if you want to change the currency. And that being said, click customize the book right now. Now, once you're in this page, this is where we're going to have some fun rather. You can add your product name right here. For example, the sample guide, the name, the description, the URL, the custom domain, the cover, and the thumbnail. We have product info like so. And then we also have some contents right here. So enter the content you want to sell or upload your files or start typing. So I suggest we're just gonna upload our files here with that option right there, insert a file, and then share it later on. Anyway, before we get started on this option right here, I wanna take you to a website that I'm very sure you're familiar with. Let me just open it right now. So welcome back to the video. I know that you're familiar with Canva. It's one of the best editing platforms out there. And then if you're not familiar with how to use it, I have a video about it, so please check it out. So on this option right here, since I'm going to create an ebook, on the search bar, I'm going to type in ebook, just simply ebook, and then type in or enter. You'll have ebook templates. So you can choose ebook cover if you have your own templates or contents inside it. I'm going to let you know what I mean. Let me just choose something here. Give me a second. How about this one? Content making. Click on customize this template and then wait for it to load up. So as you can see on this option right here, I only have one page. This is basically an ebook cover. However, I don't have a content on my end as of now. So if I add a page there, I don't have anything to work with. So what I'm going to do right now is search right here, ebook template, like so, and then choose a template to work with. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let's talk about business. As you can see, it has introduction and a lot of chapters. So I'm gonna apply all 4 pages right there. Now take note about that one. That is the difference of ebook cover and basically a template. So I can still work with this one right here. So one suggestion that I may give you is that please edit the design at the very least. Even though we did not do anything here, I suggest edit it because a lot of users are using this template, so please edit or customize it at the very least. One of which you can customize is the name. Let's type how to business. And then the sub template, I'm going to talk about e-commerce. Give me a second here. Perfect. I think that is the spelling of e-commerce. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then the author. With this one, I'm going to put in, let's just say McCoy Santos, something like that. Place it over here. I think that's perfect, or in the middle part, it's much more perfect. I think I have my page right now, or rather cover photo. Now that being said, I have some introductions here, so I suggest please download them individually first. So go to the share button, go to page 2, or rather page 1. Make sure you download first, like so. Perfect. And then click on share one more time and just wait for this to finish. Give me a second here. There we have it. Click on download. I think we can download everything at the same time. I'm sorry about that. I almost forgot about that option. So click on download. Everything will be downloaded at the same time. It's very important to download them individually first. And then it's gonna be a zip file. If you have bulk download, you can just simply extract the files. Let me just extract files right there. Make sure to go in desktop or just downloads. Click OK, and then yes to all. There we have it. So we have the contents and the cover right there. Let me just delete these two right here to avoid confusion. Perfect. Now next up, since we have a cover right here, you want to make it into a book cover. So one more thing before we proceed on creating a book cover, I suggest we remove this photo right there and choose a different photo. So it will be a little bit more, what they call this, unique. And then if you want to center it, of course, change it like there. I think you're satisfied with this one. Perfect. And then simply download the photo as it is. Make sure you download it. This is a very important part. Okay? Don't forget about that part right there. And once it's done, delete everything. And then basically with this one, you can just upload your photo. Let me just go my photo right there. File Explorer, click on downloads, and there we have it. Let me just paste it over here. And then fill up all the space on this Canva. Perfect. So the idea there is I made it into one photo and not just sections per sections. And then that being said, click on edit photo. Look for the thing that they call mockup right there. So there's an option that says you're using the old or new photo editor if you can find the mockups or smart mockup. Prefer the old, take me to the old editor. And then go back and then click on edit image. So with this one, there we have it, smart mockups. Click on see all, go back a little bit until you see the one that says book covers or books rather. And then I prefer book number 6 because there is no hand or any other material in it. So click book number 6 and wait for the magic to happen. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Here we have it. Simply make sure you click on apply. And there we have it. You can add some more shadows if you like. You can duotone. You can have some more filters. But for now, I'm satisfied with this one. So just make sure it's gonna fit the screen. And then I suggest make a white background. If you have a different color, it will look weird. For example, or a yellow one, I suggest pure white is the one. I think we have our book cover. Make sure you download it. And then save download right there. Perfect. Now, once we have our book cover, next thing to do right now is create a thumbnail. So open up the design. So make sure you go back to Canva. And then once you're here, create design right there. Make sure you customize the design. Make sure this is 600 by 600. Now you might ask me, why is 600 by 600? This is the recommended size of Gumroad, the platform we're using earlier. So just create new design and it should look like this. So it should look like this, a thumbnail size Canva. So just make sure you copy first, or make sure you change the background color. So I think our color scheme earlier is blue. I'm gonna choose blue right here. And then go back to the one earlier. And then just copy the few details here. I think this one is good enough. Just copy them and then go back to the thumbnail. Paste it right here. And then there we have it. I think a little bit more color, darker is much more better. Perfect. So just simply click on download and then wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, I think we're good to go here. We just downloaded everything we need, starting from cover, introduction, thumbnail, and then the content. So let's move back to Gumroad. So welcome back to Gumroad. For the description, this is real-time preview on the right side. So whatever I type here will appear on the right side. So for the name, let's just say for this one, how to business, right? Perfect. And then for the name, learn the A to Z, rather, of e-commerce. This is just a sample description. Make sure you have some fun here. You can italize bold letters. You can change the style headings, hyperlink, insert image right here, insert button, video of course, and tweet. This is also bulletized and numberized if you like, but for me, I'm satisfied with this one. You can add a URL, your custom domain of course, but for now, I'm gonna make sure I have my cover photo. So make sure click on download and look for the one that you downloaded. For the thumbnail, computer files, and then look for download the thumbnail we got. So here's the preview right now, the one we're creating. We have our thumbnail. Thumbnail will appear only in galleries. So for the product info, call to action is I want this or buy this. And then you will get for example, a comprehensive course in e-commerce. Perfect. I think I'm spelling e-commerce wrong. Sorry about that. And the additional pages, we have it. Now go to content before publishing. So for this one, I'm gonna upload the files, computer files right there. And then make sure you copy the content from earlier. Again, these are just sample contents. Of course, you don't have to copy everything from Canva. Just make sure this is just for discussion purposes. So you can use the existing product on your different content books, Dropbox, or embed a video right there. I think I'm good with this. I'm gonna go back to product. Go back to content, just make sure it's there, okay? And there we have it. The price is right here. Allow customers to pay what they want. Again, that's gonna be your option, but for me, that's gonna be a no-no. And then the pages right here per value will be on this part right here. So I think this is the most basic thing that we can cover. The settings is limit product sales if you want. Allow customers to choose quantity. This is specifically important. Publicly show the number of sales on your product. This is for credibility purposes, of course. Mark the product as publication for VAT purposes. Specify a refund policy for this product. So refund policy, let's just say 30-day window. Fine print, this is gonna be optional. If you have, please do so. Anyway, I'm good with this one. And then you can have variations of this product if you have different books or content. But for now, I'm satisfied with this. Simply save and continue. And basically publish and continue on this option right here. And wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now it's being published, or right now it's live and published inside our Canva. Or rather, sorry about that, inside our Gumroad. So Gumroad again is a platform where you can sell digital products. It is technically free. It only asks for commissions per sale. So click on it right now to check on the book right now. Click on it. Click on preview. I think this is the preview right there. And basically there you have it. This is what inside. You can see it. You can buy it. You can have the pages. Add to wishlist if you want. And basically you have just created a digital product inside Gumroad. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.